Alrighty guys, so it's late at night. I think it's, what time is it? It's 11:30 at night, and the good news just came on, as you can hear. But I figured I'd show a video, or do a video on a couple of things. These pamphlets, or books I guess you can call them, and something in that bag right there, which are very old pictures, which we'll get to last. So these right here are vintage owner's manuals for Sears Central Air Conditioner. This one here is dated 11/27/1972. That was well before my time. That was a long time ago. And this was for the condensing unit. I'll flip through it briefly. It shows how to install it and how to install the refrigerant tubing, also known as the line set. You can pause to read that if you want. These were flare fittings, and these old units didn't have service valves on them, so you couldn't pump them down or anything. That's how you put the Armaflex in. That's how to pipe it into the evaporator in a basement. That's how to install it on the roof with the oil traps. And that's if a line set is extremely long, I do believe, because that's an oil trap. And again, it's a flare fitting. That's how you hook up the electrical, or how you would. And this is the model number to BTU. They made all the way up to a 5-ton. Well, you can say that's a 5-ton. There would be a 1.5-ton, 2-ton, 2.5, 3, well, 2.5-ish, 2 3/4, and so on. And startup procedure, wiring schematic, and then a parts breakdown. That's clearly a reciprocating compressor. And that was the liquid line size, and I'm sure this was R22. These units weren't likely. Part numbers and notes. And then the back. And this is the same thing for the A-coil, which is dated 1973, April 2nd. Again, well before my time. We'll just flip briefly through here. As you see there, 1973. Then another thing is a winter coat for your new air conditioner. That was a condenser cover. But what I really like is the pictures of the 3 different styles. Style A, B, and C, which I have seen all 3 of these styles in person before. There's nothing on the back, but it's vintage. Yep. And this was a wiring diagram for looks like a condenser fan motor. I'm not entirely sure. So that was this. This is a picture of the air conditioner. I drew an old carrier package in it for those interested in seeing that. So that was this. Now I'm going to go into these pictures here. Alright, so I pulled out 3 of the pictures that I'm comfortable with showing. The others here are too sentimental. The first one that we're going to start off with is from 2003, I want to say. This is of a GE PTAC unit in a hotel room in, I believe, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Yeah, 03 or 04. Yep, that was a very long time ago, and I remember it. I don't remember what hotel it was at. And back when I was little, I was big in televisions too. So that was the TV in the room. So you got the television and the air conditioner, two things that kept me as a kid very well occupied. And this picture here was taken in 2002. I put 03 or 04 on the back of it, but it was 2002 or 2003. These pictures were taken in 2003 or 2004. I don't really remember. It's been a very long time ago. But this was of the house being demolished across the street from where I used to live. And I stood out there on the side of the road and watched it all unfold, or I should say come down to the ground, and I took his picture. I know it was winter time, so it was probably December, I want to say. But yeah, those are some vintage Sears Air Conditioner books and some pictures from my childhood. And if y'all want to see more pictures from my childhood of various different things, let me know, and I'll dig them out on the computer and show you all. Alright, well, see y'all in the next video.